Thank you very much for being with us today. We are delighted to be with you. We are going to see today Technology Monday implementing an audio and video solution on a training room. Most of the times you have or you want to have an audio conference and they do not hear you and you don't hear them. So you have a lot of audio problems on your training room. The other problem is that you want to make presentations from any device, from a tablet, a lot of problems to make presentations and make people participate on it. So we are going to see how we resolve these problems for a customer. The first thing that we are going to talk to is how to resolve the video problem. So let's go to the screen where we show how to resolve the video. Here we have the video solution. Normally, we make presentations from 4 kinds of devices: our smartphone, our tablet, our laptop, and then our desktop computer. On the tablet, it can be Android or Apple, the tablet as well, and the computer, the desktop computer or the laptop computer, can be Windows or Apple based. So here what we have is volume 1, that is the left part, and then volume 2, that is the right part. So we have the same on both sides. On the left side, where we have the volume 1, on the right side, where we have the volume 2. So we use the We Present WIPG2000 to be able to make wireless presentations. Forget about cables. So any device can make presentations at the same time to the screen 1 or to the screen 2, or at the same time to the screen 1 and to the screen 2 using the We Present WIPG2000. We have 2 We Present WIPG2000s on volume 1 and volume 2, as you can see here. So wirelessly from any device, smartphone, tablet, laptop, or desktop computer, we can make wireless presentations. These wireless presentations go to the We Present, and then they connect through the HDMI cable to the projector. We are using the projector NEC NPPA 550W, and we are supporting the NEC PA55W with an Extron 765673 and the 6077302. So we are supporting this projector with these supports. So we have it on volume 1 and the same on volume 2. So we are going to be able to see the same or different using the screen from that light, the 89730L that we have at both volumes. So this way we are able to make wireless presentations from any device to the screen 1 and or to the screen 2. So we are able to do that. The Extron 60764.12 is a button, a wall button, that we put it on the wall to control the projector. So with this device, we will be able to control what input the projector is receiving: HDMI, or VGA. The VGA, we will use it when we want to make wire presentations. To make wire presentations, we have our laptop on the podium 1 and the desktop on the podium 1. And on the podium 2, we have a laptop and a desktop. So via wire, we go to the matrix switch, to the Extron 6063521, and we receive 4 signals. The 2 from podium 1, laptop 1, desktop 1, laptop 2, desktop 2, and they all go to the switch matrix from Extron 6063521. From here, we define what scenario we want to show. We want to show on the projector 1 or in the projector 2 or at the same time. So we choose the scenario on the switch matrix, and the signal goes all the way through VGA cables to the projector 1 and to the projector 2. So, and we choose what signal we are taking a look at when we choose HDMI or VGA on the wall, on the bottom walls from the Extron 6076412. So this device allows to control what signal is coming in to the projector, the HDMI or the VGA. So this way we are able to make wirelessly presentations and wire presentations from podium 1 and podium 2. Now we are going to see how we resolve the problem of the audio. The audio is really simple. We have 3 microphones. We have 2 handheld from Electro Voice, the PHTU2N. We have 2 handheld and 1 laptop, the RE92TX and WTU2. So we have 3 wireless microphones that go to the 3 receivers from Electro Voice. These 3 receivers will go to the mixer. We are using a Phoenix Octopus that is capable of receiving 4 inputs. The 4th input that we are receiving is the one that comes from the devices. So we are able to hear the video of any of the devices that are here. So as well, we have an analog extension that goes to the PBX. So we can have audio conference calls through the analog extension line through the PBX to anywhere in the world. So we are using the Phoenix Octopus. The Phoenix Octopus as well, we can connect it to a USB port, to a USB port. So that way we will be able to connect it. The Octopus will be connected to a suppression sound equipment that it is the DBX, and from there we'll go to the crown amplifier, the CDI 1000. We will have 6 speakers on the left, on the podium 1, and on the podium 2 is the second area. We will have 6 ceiling speakers, the Electro Voice CA.2. We control the audio through an Atlas controller, the AFS2. We have 2 to control the area 1 and the area 2 volume. So with this, we can have audio conferences through the PBX, audio conferences through Skype, WebEx, GoToMeeting, Hangouts, and when we don't have far-end audio, we can hear ourselves locally through the wireless microphones and through the speakers electro voice we are using. This is the way that we resolve a solution for you for audio and video for your training program. Thank you very much for being with us. Thanks.